है डीएनए में ही कोई गड़बड़ है।
मैंने डीएनए को गड़बड़ कहा?
He adopted the politics of secularism while he emerged as an infallible leader for Hindutva.
मर जाना कबूल है, उनके साथ जाना हमको कभी कबूल नहीं है, यह अच्छी तरह जान ली।
But when the fight for power became tense, the secular and saffronist leaders aligned.
तो इस बार हम देखें कि कुछ इधर उधर कुछ जीत गया है, अगली बार सब हारेगा, हमको पूरा भरोसा है।
He was born on 17th September 1950 in Vadnagar, Gujarat, and almost 6 months later, he took birth on 1st March 1951 in Patna district's Bakhtiarpur in Bihar. He was just 8 when he found his way to the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh.
जुड़ा रहा बचपन से मेरा जो कुछ भी संस्कार हुआ, मेरी डिसिप्लिन आई, मेहनत करने का स्वभाव बना, उसमें आरएसएस का संस्कार का बहुत बड़ा रोल है।
In his late teens, he was said to have briefly left home for a vagrant life.
अरे हम तो फकीर आदमी हैं, झोला लेके चल पड़ेंगे जी।
Meanwhile, he pursued mechanical engineering at Bihar College of Engineering in Patna and briefly worked at the State Electricity Board. By the time they were 21, both found their calling in politics, but on different sides of it. He moved to the RSS state headquarters, where he said he made breakfast for pracharaks or propagators, cleaned the building, and washed his seniors' clothes. Meanwhile, he quit his job to serve society through a student movement led by socialist leader Jayaprakash Narayan. This student movement turned the tide of Indian politics by ending the Congress party's dominance. What started with a protest by students in Ahmedabad, Gujarat over rising hostel mess fee led to the movement spreading among different sections of society and reaching JP Narayan's home state of Bihar, where it became bigger, finally culminating in the emergency. During the emergency, his efficiency at carrying out organizational tasks or aiding in printing literature carved a permanent position for him in the Sangh. Meanwhile, he, who'd been one of the prominent young leaders of the JP movement alongside Lalu Prasad Yadav, went to jail twice by age 25. He started contesting assembly elections at the age of 26, but didn't win a seat until he was 34 years old in 1985. And his breakthrough came when he was 36 years old in 1986, when the Bharatiya Janata Party president L.K. Advani invited him to join the party. He was credited for building the party's electoral base in the state when he organized outreach programs among voters, leading to the BJP's victory in municipal corporation and village council elections. At 38, he supported his comrade from the JP movement days, Lalu Prasad Yadav, as the leader of opposition in the Bihar Assembly and also served as his principal advisor. But by the early 90s, they became distant from each other over governance disputes and ideological differences. He'd been building a voter base in his Kurmi community against Lalu's Yadav dominance. And it was at this time that he grew close to the BJP's L.K. Advani.
तो अटल जी का जो भी था, लाल कृष्ण अडवाणी जी का सब कुछ का था, तो हम लोग तो उनके पक्ष में थे ना। तो ये लोग आ गया तब तो नया पार्टी इन लोगों का हो गया।
He had started the Samta Party after breaking away from Lalu, which he aligned with the BJP in 1996 after being defeated by Lalu's party. Focusing more on national politics, he held various posts within the NDA government led by Atal Bihari Vajpayee, including Minister of Railways, Transport and Agriculture between the ages of 47 and 53. At age 49, the BJP government at the centre backed him as the Chief Minister of Bihar. But he could serve only for a week since he couldn't prove a majority in the assembly. Meanwhile, he took over as the CM of Gujarat at age 51.
આ સરકાર જેમણે બીજેપી ને વોટ આપ્યા છે માત્ર એમની સરકાર નથી. આવનારી સરકાર જેમણે ભારતીય જનતા પાર્ટીનો ઘોર વિરોધ કર્યો છે આ સરકાર એમની છે.
He returned as a full-time Bihar CM at age 54. He earned the moniker of Sushasan Babu or Good Governance Man, as under him, the state improved its delivery of piped water supply, its midday meal program, and the efficacy of welfare schemes. Over the years, he also became the face of women empowerment. At 55, he launched a scheme of awarding bicycles to schoolgirls. This led to a giant leap in the number of girls completing class 10.
महिलाओं को आज पुलिस की नौकरी में 35% आरक्षण दिया है हम लोगों ने।
Meanwhile, he became a leader focusing on development after a communal riots case under his chief ministership. He marked Gujarat as an investment haven.
Gujarat is throwing a party, an attempt to revamp its sullied image.
In 2003, he launched an investor summit called Vibrant Gujarat.
Gujarat can, Gujaratis will.
At this program, which was held every 2 years, investors in India and abroad would be welcomed in the state.
I have been one of the fortunate few to have participated in every single edition of Vibrant Gujarat.
To all the foreign investors here, India is seemingly looking like the coolest party in town.
The Bihar Chief Minister praised his Gujarat counterpart's development policies, even as other socialist leaders stopped short of it. He said, "I hope Narendra Modi won't be confined to Gujarat for long and the nation will get his services." He also said, "What happened was a blot. But it's not good if we remember just that and forget the other things that are happening." But by 2010, their relationship soured as the Bihar CM distanced himself from the Gujarat CM to ensure his secular votes remained intact because a section of voters considered the Gujarat Chief Minister responsible for the 2002 riots.
तो माइनॉरिटी का एक अच्छा खासा हिस्सा हम लोगों के साथ हो गया था और मेरे साथ हो गया था, ये हम लोगों के साथ था। जरा याद कर लीजिए, पत्रकारों से पूछ लीजिए।
Then, 3 years later, he frowned upon the BJP leader whom he called communal after he was chosen to be the prime ministerial candidate and cut off his alliance with the BJP.
बिहार किसी समय कितना शानदार राज्य था, वहां के जातिवादी नेताओं ने उस राज्य को तबाह करके रख दिया।
The next year, he became the Prime Minister of India.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि
After general elections in which his Janata Dal United fared poorly, causing him to resign from the CM post. And he went back to his old comrade Lalu, forming an alliance with his Rashtriya Janata Dal party and the Congress to contest state elections. They won and he became CM again at age 63.
वही लोग जो जहां देख रहे थे वोट के टाइम में, कि कहा करे भाई तो मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के लोग भी बीजेपी वाले को भी दे रहे, तब सोचिए क्या हुआ था। सब भूल गए किस तरह से वहां पहुंचे थे। और उसके बाद जब हम लोग अलग हो गए थे 15 में, तो कै गो सीट जीते थे।
But over the years, he earned nicknames such as Paltu Ram. In 2017, he broke this alliance in light of corruption charges against Deputy CM Tejashwi Yadav and resigned as Chief Minister yet again. He formed the government with BJP's support and took oath as Chief Minister for the 6th time. Then, in the 2024 general elections, he joined the opposition India bloc only to break away and realign with the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance.
सुने न थे अखबार में जो छपा कि अब राष्ट्रपिता छोड़ दीजिए, नए पिता अब कोई राष्ट्र के हो जाए। अब जरा सोच लीजिए, नए भारत के नए पिता क्या किए हैं भारत के लिए? कुछ काम किए हैं? कहां भारत आगे बढ़ा है? कौन सा काम हुआ है सिवाय इसके कि नई टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई और उस नई टेक्नोलॉजी का पूरा जबरदस्ती रूप से उपयोग कर जो रहे हैं। और पहले तो मीडिया का ऐसा दूसरा था, पक्ष विपक्ष जो भी हो अपना राय बहुत अच्छे ढंग से मीडिया के सारे लोग लिखते थे। आज को तो उनको वही लिखना पड़ता है जो कहा जाता है।
Despite all the criticism over his U-turns, he remained the face of development in one of India's poorest states.
लोग आलोचना मेरी जो करे, लेकिन जान लीजिए बिहार में हम लोगों ने तय किया हर घर बिजली का कनेक्शन देंगे। पूरे देश ने उसको अपना लिया और उसके बाद हम लोगों ने क्या कहा, हर घर नल का जल पहुंचाएंगे। देश भर में भी योजना स्वीकार की।
And he secured an image of making India globally popular. By the time his state went into another election, the 74-year-old aligned with the 75-year-old's party to present a united alliance against the opposition. This is the story of Nitish Kumar and Narendra Modi, seasoned politicians who became the most formidable opponents for their adversaries.
अभी आप हम लोगों को देख लीजिए, कोई अपने परिवार के लिए काम नहीं करता है। परिवार, कोई भी परिवार के लिए